Hey guys, so here's a little thing. I got some slimes and then I tried to make a video and then the video had terrible audio. Like everyone was talking. So I already had made the mix-ins and put them in. So it's kind of a problem. But here is my slime. It's so beautiful. It's Disco Fever. I love it so much. Also, the consistency went a little bit weird because I was on a road trip and it sat in the car for like 3 days in the Canadian winter. So it's not as stretchy as it was, but ASMR. Also, if you hear any tapping in the background that ruins the ASMR, that's my sister. Okay, Zoe. Shh. Oh, there's hair. No! Okay.
Ew.
I know it's you, just like you.
And I also got slime.
The stretching used to be way better on this. I've seen this trick where you lay it out. Nice like that, and then you go like poke, 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 poke. Also, I suck at this if you haven't noticed. This is some pretty trashy ASMR, but I think I might be able to fix it. If I put this in here, it's a bit firmer than it used to be. So I got this glitter.
Last time you put glitter in slime, you totally ruined it.
Yeah, last time I didn't post the video, I don't think, but I put glitter in my slime, and the slime totally went crazy. And I know this is nail glitter.
Wait, that could totally wreck it.
I know, but I want to.
Okay. Well, bye-bye, slime.
So what if I take like just a tiny bit of my nail glitter?
No! Brenna, don't wreck it.
Oh, is there like a divider in here? Oh, there is. Okay. Well, bye-bye to the divider. I'm just going to take what was on the divider.
Oh my gosh.
Just like, oh.
Okay.
Well, what's done is done. What's done is done.
We'll just close it now.
Yeah. Tell nobody and nothing. You saw nothing, okay? You saw nothing.
I saw everything.
I know you saw it. So now if I mix it, is it going to look stunning or is it going to harden? Because this thing is already like rock solid. I mean, I've had this thing for a few weeks. I made a video, but then I deleted it, and then I noticed, oh, this thing's permanently deleted. I can't really do anything about it now. Yeah, because I could have used the intro, even though there's no... That sucks. Okay, ready. Does it look better with the glitter? I want to know. Drop a like if it looks better. I mean, you can...
And subscribe.
Yeah, shush.
Just kidding.
But, like, I think the glitter adds to it. Also, this is all real sound, if you guys can hear it. I like just doing this, where you like... I'm terrible compared to some people, but yeah, this is Disco Fever with extra glitter. Get your hair out of the shot.
I'm sorry.
She's everywhere today. She's kind of went crazy. Okay. And...
Ah!
Oh, wow. It wasn't me, I
Gas
promise.
there.
Promise it wasn't me.
It wasn't.
Okay.
Okay.
And... Ta-da. Okay, bye.